Victor Gatobu here. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to this YouTube channel. It's on a Sunday. It is on a Sunday. I just woke up in the afternoon and I'm having breakfast. You can see I have tea, I have some eggs, chapati, cassava, and a banana. And I'm watching a plane go for a landing. Wow, the plane is huge. Whoa. So guys, I'm currently at home and later I'll be taking you on a road trip, my usual trip from Rongai to Isinya. So let me finish eating, then I'll be on my way to Isinya.
I want to Kenya to realize the Kenyan dream. I want, I want to Kenya to live a life kifahari.
Guys, I'm currently relaxing, just chilling, and getting ready by recharging for the next week. So hopefully the next week is going to be good. I'm doing there's a project that I'm working on, and once I get to know how it's going, or once I get to know the way forward, then I'm going to tell you guys what the project is about. So after this, I'll need to start my road trip. Guys, now it's time to go for the road trip. It's time that we started our road trip. It's currently around 5:45 p.m. on a Sunday, and I'll be going from Rongai all the way to Isinya. I'll be taking the car you see in front. So let me wear the shoes, and then we'll be on our way. Shoes on, and now it's time to drive. Goodbye home. So I'll be back again next week. Guys, I'm on my way. Make sure to carry water. So it's currently 5:47 p.m. and most probably I will arrive at 7:30 at night. I'll be taking easy on this trip, and guys, I hope you are going to enjoy this road trip. So I'll take with you. I'll show you the best part. I'll take you on every part of this road trip, and I'll show you the best parts and what I like about this road trip. So let's go. Aji Dan. Open sesame. So let's go. Sunset looks nice. Aya, tachekiana next week.
Sawa sawa.
Aya, poa, asante. Guys, if you enjoy these road trips, please leave a like below. Please like the video if you enjoy these nice road trips. As you can see, guys, we live next to the SGR. That's the standard gauge railway. And we have some cows. Because remember, this is Masai land in Kajiado County, Kenya, Africa. And Africa is so beautiful, man. Africa is beautiful. So guys, if you are watching from around the world, tell me what you think about Africa. What do you think about Africa? Leave a comment below. For sure, it's beautiful, but you know, there are some challenges here and then, especially on the roads. See, we have a very nice railway, but the road is bad. Just next to the railway, the road is bad. But thank God we have the road. Guys, this town that you see is called Olosrikon or Tuala, which is in Kajiado County, Kenya. And it's a town that is behind the national park. That is the Nairobi National Park. So mostly we have animals coming here from the park, like lions, we have hyenas, we have buffaloes, and the rest. But apart from that, it's quite a normal Kenyan town. It's a local town in Kenya. It's typical. It's very quiet. And the life here is good, man. And because the road is not tarmacked, you find that most people don't live here, or they prefer to live elsewhere. And another thing is you can see Ngong Hills from Tuala. And Ngong Hills was featured in the movie about Karen Blixen, which is out of Africa. So I think this place should be also in a movie, you know, because it's a typical African town. Another fact about Tuala is we live under two flight lanes. That is the Jomo Kenyatta flight lane and the Wilson Airport flight lane. That is Tuala sunset for you, or rather African sunset below Ngong Hills from the movie Out of Africa. If you haven't checked out that movie, man, you need to watch it. It's one of the best movies ever made about Africa. Out of Africa. So now we are heading to the next town, which is Ongata Rongai. Guys, currently I'm saving up for a new GoPro camera, which I really need so that my videos can get better, man. I'm working hard to bring you guys the best content possible, not contents. So guys, if you want to support me, I'll leave a link below for PayPal. And I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Guys, this is Ongata Rongai in Kajiado County. It's our next town. Hey, that was close, man. I didn't see that donkey coming. So Ongata Rongai is one of the biggest towns in Kajiado County, and it's next to Karen. I don't really understand what that guy was doing. So it's a chill town with a lot of university students because there are many universities around this place. And also there are many tourists because it's just next to the park. And there are also very, very many attractions around it, like the Giraffe Center, the Karen Blixen Museum, and Ololua Nature Trail, just to name but a few. Ongata Rongai is also known for matatus. It has one of the best, or rather it has some of the best matatus in Kenya. And matatus is like this blue minibus. Yeah. So this is one of the minibuses from Rongai. This one is called Damager. Crazy. This place is also known for very, very bad traffic. As you can see, man, I've been in traffic for around 20 minutes. Man, I don't think if this video is going to end in Isinya. Anyway, if I end it at Ololoikitosh, it's okay. So guys, the plan was to get to Isinya, but apparently we only got to Total Ongata Rongai. I'm so sorry guys, it's already late. I can't be able to film at night. So I'm going to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe.